The Jordan brand continues to build excitement in its hybrid lineup, following strong collaborations like Nigel Sylvester's Air Jordan 4 RM and Tela Jordan Flight Court. While the brand often relies on fresh color concepts to drive interest, one model that consistently stands out is the Jordan MVP 92. Designed as a more accessible option inspired by the Air Jordan 7, the MVP 92 has earned solid feedback for blending classic Jordan DNA with modern, lifestyle-ready details. The upcoming Jordan MVP 92 Kelp brings a clean, seasonal twist to the silhouette. It features a rich brown suede upper that delivers a warm, fall-winter look, paired with subtle off-white accents and deeper brown hits along the trim. The combination gives it a premium, outdoorsy vibe that fits perfectly into today's streetwear rotation. The Jordan MVP 92 Kelp is already available at select overseas retailers such as Snipes UK, with the wider Nike release expected soon.